Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. And we got some more mail from some of the videos I've done in the past. And recently I did one on how to improve your dishwasher performance. And I made some comments on how to get it to dry faster. So one of the things I said was you should use a rinse-aid. Another thing I said, and I made a big deal about this, you should rinse your dishes, not wash your dishes. And thank you to some of our viewers. I got a comment back from Funky X. I love the names you guys have. But he said, or she said, I'm not really sure, you actually aren't supposed to rinse your dishes, just scrape them before loading. You know what? You're absolutely right, Funky. I gotta tell you, I don't know what I was thinking. Rinsing and washing has the same effect. And what we don't want to do is trick our dishwasher. And when it doesn't see the debris naturally coming off of the dishes, it actually makes the dishwasher think that it is almost done and it will shorten the cycle. We'd rather you just scrape your dishes off and let the dishwasher sense any debris coming after that off, so that it actually extends the cycle to whatever is necessary to clean the dishes proper. So thank you, Funky, very much. Thanks for calling me out on that. Also, Little Greenie, you agreed with them. Right on, appreciate it. I need all the help I can get. Another one that I heard back for the same viewing was open it as soon as possible after it's done. Steam comes out and it dries everything very good. And I would say I mostly agree with that, with some caveats. And that is that most dishwashers, what happens is folks will come on after the dishwasher is done drying. In fact, a lot of times these dishwashers are so quiet you can't even hear that it's done. So what do? You open it, oh my God, and you shut it again once you see it's all wet inside there. So what that does is, you know, if it was done, but it's not done drying, it interrupts the drying cycle. And these things mostly are designed for the dishes to be super hot, the sidewalls to be cooler, and the water molecules will float over to the sidewalls from the hot dishes. That's just kind of the same way a shower works. When you open the shower, all that steam is on the mirror. That's because it's harder in the shower than it is on the mirror. The dishwasher is designed to work the same way. So if you open it and shut it, you've stopped that and actually prevented it from going any further. It won't get dry at all. Now, for the folks who said, you know, if you take after the dishwasher's done, before it's done drying, open it, will that work? Well, yes, that actually will work. That's called flash drying. And that's actually not a bad idea if you want to sit there and wait on your dishwasher. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It'll work on any dishwasher. So, is that okay? Yes, it is. And then I also wanted to let you know that there are dishwashers now, several of them, that have that as a feature. So I think Bosch has one, Samsung has some. I didn't do a lot of research on it, but I do know that there are various amounts of brands out there that offer that. As to the viewer's recommendation, my oh my, that some of the more expensive ones do have that as a feature. So I'm not really sure the price range off the top of my head right now, but it'll just pop open in the last 10 to 15 minutes of its drying cycle. So there you go, that's another good one. And the last comment I had was, I missed my heating element from Sandy, and I do too sometimes. Sometimes the more simpler ways of things operating always seem to be best. But great comments this week, keep them coming. I got more videos coming to you, but I really appreciate the participation.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.